Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 12th, 2025, and we're diving into Cardinal Health's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cardinal Health has just released their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cardinal Health reported a fourth quarter revenue of $60.2 billion, which is relatively flat compared to last year. However, the adjusted EPS came in at $2.08, beating the forecast of $2.03. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
Absolutely. The revenue being flat might seem underwhelming at first glance, but it's important to note that excluding the impact of a contract expiration, revenue actually increased by 21%. The adjusted EPS of $2.08, which surpassed analyst expectations, reflects strong operational performance and effective cost management.
And for the full fiscal year 2025, revenue was $222.6 billion, a 2% decrease from the previous year. How should investors interpret this?
While the overall revenue saw a slight decline, it's crucial to consider the underlying growth, excluding the contract expiration, which was quite robust. The company has shown resilience and adaptability in its core segments, which is a positive sign for future growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Cardinal Health's segment performance was quite varied. The Pharmaceutical and Specialty Solutions segment reported revenue of $55.4 billion, while the Global Medical Products and Distribution segment saw a 3% increase to $3.2 billion. Can you elaborate on these results?
The pharmaceutical segment remained stable, with a significant 22% revenue increase when excluding the contract expiration. This was driven by strong brand and specialty pharmaceutical sales. The Global Medical Products segment's growth was fueled by volume increases from existing customers, showcasing the company's ability to leverage its distribution network effectively.
Cardinal Health also announced the acquisition of Solaris Health. How does this fit into their strategic initiatives?
The acquisition of Solaris Health, a leading urology MSO, aligns with Cardinal Health's strategy to expand its specialty solutions. This move is expected to enhance their multi-specialty growth strategy and provide a competitive edge in the healthcare market.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Cardinal Health has raised its fiscal year 2026 EPS guidance to a range of $9.30 to $9.50. What does this indicate about their future prospects?
This upward revision in EPS guidance reflects Cardinal Health's confidence in its growth trajectory. The expected growth in the pharmaceutical segment, projected at 11% to 13%, is a testament to their strategic investments and operational efficiencies. Additionally, the planned share repurchases of approximately $750 million demonstrate a commitment to returning value to shareholders.
It seems like Cardinal Health is positioning itself strongly for the future. What should investors keep an eye on?
Investors should watch how the company integrates Solaris Health and continues to execute its growth strategies across its segments. The focus on specialty solutions and operational improvements will be key drivers of their success moving forward.
Key takeaways. In summary, Cardinal Health has delivered a solid performance in Q4 2025, with an adjusted EPS that beat expectations and a strategic acquisition that promises future growth. Their raised guidance for fiscal year 2026 further underscores their positive outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Cardinal Health is clearly on a strong path, with strategic initiatives and financial discipline driving their success. Investors should feel optimistic about their long-term potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Cardinal Health's performance in the comments below.